All right, here goes!
Hey, Kazumi, by the way, since I'm asking, what type of planet is this, by the way, on the solar system map?
It's none of them. There is a secret planet behind the Earth from the 6-min planet map. That means there was a 7th one behind the Earth the entire time.
So, then, if there's a 7th planet behind the Earth, and there are 6 wind kingdoms behind it, and the Earth isn't, then that would mean that planet is... No way. It's my homeworld! The Nightwind Kingdom!
Correction. Not even I even know what this planet was. I was in this destroyed planet for a long time.
That explains everything about why I haven't seen other people here. But wait a second. If this is the Nightwind planet, then that would mean there's a Nightwind Kingdom not far from this location. And I think I know where exactly to look. Over there! The ruined city. Here's what we gotta do, Kazumi. We first need to go to the Tower of Souls. Once we activate the Tower of Souls, we can resurrect all the Nightwinds that have fallen into battle, and we can use them in the Wind War.
Yeah, but there's only one requirement to do in order to resurrect all your people.
And that is?
You have to become a Demon Lord.
A Demon Lord? But in order to become that, you have to kill an estimated amount of 10,000 souls. But I'm not sure if I can't get enough to resurrect my people.
I'm sorry, Chase. I know you're concerned about this plan, but this is the only way to resurrect all your people. There's no other way to do it.
Well, if this is the only way, then I'll really do it. For my family and my people who've fallen into battle. But, first things first, I need to kill an estimated of 10,000 life forms. But lucky for you, I sent a Hydrowind ship on its way into this planet, and has an estimated total of 20,000 troopers. I can take them all on.
Then let's get ready for battle. I'm really going to enjoy this massacring bloodbath.
For my people and my kingdom, I will resurrect you all to become a Demon Lord, and bring the 6 Wind Kingdoms into its own nation. Let's begin!
I gotta admit, Power Trip, I'm really surprised. I never thought that Courtney would actually reach her wind state transformation like that.
You ain't kidding. I've seen Courtney's demon form countless times, but this is a whole new level.
Agree. Let's just stop standing around and let's help Courtney. Now, you two go protect the Queen of the Belchwind Kingdom and the people. These two are mine!
Against 2 Hydra Wings! Are you sure you can take both of them head on like that?
I'll be fine. Now, damn it, go! Stay safe, Courtney. Come on, Power Trip. I think Clara needs our help by saving the people.
So, my theory was correct. You have Hydra Wind blood.
I'm impressed, but those who betray our kind will feel the ultimate death.
No, the only traitors I see around here are you two. Because if I'm right, then your beloved King Dante isn't a true king at all.
You dare talk to His Highness like that? We'll make sure that your death is your final unknown.
Then stop talking and bring it on if you truly, truly believe that Dante's your beloved king then.
Huh? Why the hell is it snowing now? If what Nathan said is true, then we're already too late.
That is exactly right.
And just who are you supposed to be?
First Stormwind Prince, Dark Storm Stormwind, and you are trespassing.
Yeah, I recognize you from Silas's data.
Oh, so you know who I am. Then do you know my stepbrothers Nathan and Hayes?
Stepbrother?
I'll explain the story later. For right now, trespassers get high consequences.
Call me a trespasser, huh? Let's see how you can survive my power.
Oh, I'm about to have some fun with you. You have a name?
It's Ryan.
Well then, Ryan, prepare to feel the perfect storm.
Angel Hog and Jonan the Demon Hog, aka Jonan Hideaway. It's been 10 years since we've seen each other. But now, my vengeance will become today's destruction.
Dante, how dare you bring your face back into this kingdom? I thought we'd seen the last of you.
It seems that thanks to the Wind Orb and my cooperation of having Hydroid warriors, I managed to survive and grow stronger over the years. But due to the Wind War, the Hydroids already accomplished both Storm and Light Winds. But now, I'm here for the both of you. You two will be my first from the Wind War to feel what it's like to die in my hands.
Rory, contact Courtney. I'll handle this trigger.
But what about you, honey?
If he's here because of us, he'll regret coming to this kingdom. Now warn the others.
All right.
I'll deal with you later, Lori. Right now, my vengeance is on the Demon Hog Hydroid. Now, Jonan the Demon Hog, let's settle things like the old days. Battle mode and feel the devil power of 70%.
Someone from one of my kingdoms, the Angel Hog Kingdom, is calling me in the middle of battle. This is your princess of the Angel Hog and Demon Hog Kingdom, Courtney the Angel Hog. Who is calling me?
Courtney, this is your mother. We're calling because we have an emergency in our hands.
What? Then tell me, Mother, what's going on at the Angel Hog Kingdom?
We are under attack by Hydra Chief Dante.
What? No. No. Damn it, Dante! Damn you! This was all a trap! Just to keep me from protecting my kingdom from you! You bastard!
He didn't send his Hydroid loyalties just to slow us down. He sent his loyalties to fight us here just to make his plan fully operational.
Are you fucking kidding me, Link? So this was all a trap, just to keep us away from Dante's true goal.
Correction. King Dante already explained to us his true goal for the Hydra Wind Warriors.
Wait a second. You knew Dante's role.
Correction. King Dante's goal is to convert the Wind War plan into the Demon Realm plan.
The Demon Realm plan.
It means King Dante never wanted to win the war. He only cared to destroy all the Wind Kingdoms by unleashing all the demons from Underworld to the entire universe.
What?
What? So that's the true goal!
Now you all see what we mean. Even if you have the confidence to take us on, you will never kill us.
But will.
Claire, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you be with the others?
No time. The ghostly kingdom is already in smell. It's too late to save them. So let's combine our powers to blow them both away.
Then let's get these pieces of shit out the fucking way so I can use chaos control to head back home and teach that fucking no-good Dante a lesson!
It doesn't matter, Angel Hog. You'll never beat us.
Now what are they up to?
Vinica, behind you.
What?
Taste our ghost and hide your power.
Take this, you no-good, traitorous son of a bitches!
Listen here, Kazumi. Before my harvest transformation, there's one thing I need to let you know. This is gonna be my last chance and last mission as a Windshack leader. Once I become a Demon Lord, the new organization will rise from the ashes.
I see. Oh, and Chase, there's one more thing I forgot to give you.
And what will that be? Kazumi! Why did you kiss me? I already have a girlfriend. Why would you do that?
Oh, do you? 'Cause I checked your personality and it's saying that you lost her a long time ago, Casey boy.
How would you know that? Wait a second. Who are you really?
Oh, you don't remember me. I'm Kazumi. It's just my code name.
Code name? What are you saying?
It's nothing. Besides, I wouldn't stop calling myself Karo, right, Case?
It can't be! Karo? But that's impossible! In zero gravity, we all got separated thanks to the Xyz crystals. How? How did you get here and change your appearance?
I'll tell you later. Just finish the job. All right.
Oh, I'm ready. And I won't die. I'll see you later, Kazumi. Now, let's begin the massacre. Taste the wrath of Solarian's meteorite! Man, the Solarian's power. With the Solarian's meteorite, he really took a big punch. If what Kazumi said is true, then I'm guessing I really do. Computer, analyze how many Hydrowind warriors that I killed.
Answer. An estimated total of Hydrowind death is around in the total of 10,000.
10,000 already? Wait, then that would mean... my head... What's going on? I'm really hurting!
What is that incredible power I'm sensing?
Okay, Silver and Mark, be honest with me. I can't sense power levels, but I can feel that.
I don't know. Whatever it is, it's massive.
This energy is new. Whoever it is, I might encounter him in the future.
Oh, looks like the transformation is finished.
Generates a fully Solo and retro bring up the demon serpent from the throne of the king.
And we 3 demon servants obey your every command, our demon lord.
So, what is your command, our demon lord Nightwind?
To make
Damn it. I can't beat those stupid vampires. How is that possible that they're stronger than me? Unless... the Blood Moon. Of course. I have to use the full power of the Keyblade. Now, time to burn. Oh hell no. You are not laying a finger on the moon. Brit, let's do this.
I know what you're thinking, Step Bro. Let's do this.
Team, full power. Rosy Blast.
Out of the way. Now, let's get to the ship and help out Courtney's parents once and for all.
I'm afraid it's already too late, mortals. God, no.
So this is really hard volatility. You mentioned it next to him?
In the demon hall. I heard about his file. He's a Hydra just like King Dante.
That is correct. But unfortunately, I won't let Courtney's father go. He will be a good asset for our plan for the Hydra takeover. He will be going back to Homeworld and be a prisoner, just like we captured the late Movie guy.
You what? No! What happened? What did you do to Isis?
I did nothing. All I did was capture Jody. But Hydra and Princess Rosa already captured her. But now is not the time. Now that all of the Wind Kingdoms are covered in snow, the Wind World will now officially begin. And I will all be witnessing you to the end of the universe in the Wind World opens. And your father, Isis, and the prisoners that we capture will become a new power source to the ultimate plan of the Hydra Warriors.
And just what do you mean by that?
You'll find out soon enough, mortals. Now, I will take my leave. Farewell.
No, stop! Damn it! I can't believe this! The 6 kingdoms are under snow now!
what he said is true. No one kingdoms are in the sky, including the Yankees.
You guys, I'm afraid King Dante has successfully began his plan, but now we need to prepare ourselves for reborn. You may have won this round, but we're gonna get stronger to strike back.
I have to get out of here. As long as I'm still here, I can escape.
I'm afraid so, Angel Hog. I don't even know what you're doing in the escape pods, but I'm afraid you're not gonna get out of here.
Prince Zenith! War!
Ay. Great. Good job, Lightwind Princess. Now my father will know that we found his secret war room. Wait a second. Secret war room?
What is this place?
Not sure. This is the first time I'm ever seeing this place in the Hydroid Kingdom. My father must have hid it from us from the very start he began this kingdom. Now, let's see. No! Father! You're gonna pay for this!
What did you find, Zenith?
It's a secret document. It belongs to my father. And what I found here, he wasn't originally a Hydroid. He was a demon hog from the angel/demon hog kingdom ruled by Courtney's parents. It means we were wrong. King Dante didn't want to become a Hydroid just to get revenge on the wind. He wanted to become a wind just to get revenge on the wind kingdoms and the angel/demon hog kingdoms for vanishing him.
Wait a second. Was that the reason why he went to the war?
I'm afraid so, Lightwind Princess, or if you call yourself Mana. I can't believe I captured you just because I was doing my father's strings. Listen, I'm gonna teleport you back to Earth. But promise not to tell my father everything that we see. You got it?
Alright. It's nice to meet you, and we'll meet each other again. See you, Hydroid.
We will meet each other again. Suchin Atalichi! It seems that I make my own decision now, Man of the Dark, or Man of Lightwind. Esterosa! This is Zenith's Hydra. The plan has been changed. As soon as the next Wind War starts, King Dante's dethronement will begin.
My lord, everything is set. The war is about to begin. Soon you will have all 6 wind powers. Now what are your new orders? Lord, first, Vampwind Prince.